See, I know the lighting probably in here is not that great. This is usually just for plants, storage. 15 on the wrench. I got the routing right here. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Do re mi. This one off. Asking for problems, Paul. This right here is the problem. Why we're dealing with what we're dealing with now. The guy put a fucking bolt in as a bleeder screw, wrapped it around with plastic. So let's get this thing swapped out real quick. We will not run this through the wiring harness like X mechanic did. We will. Son of a gun. Ugh. Guys, always remember to bring a charged battery. Bracket back in there. Okay, not bad. Okay, I'm loving it. This needs to be bone dry as it is. Tensioner is going to loosen up. And look at this slide. It's not the rib I want. This rib right here. Nice and tight. Yep. Beautiful. Nice tension on the belt. Let's get these back in the system. If you guys don't know what it sounds like to have no food in your power steering, you're gonna hear what it sounds like because we have to bleed it anyway. Easiest way to bleed the power steering system is while it's running. You turn the steering wheel left and right, 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 left and right. while the car is on and the pump is flowing. And you can just bleed all the air out the system. Right now it's filled to the tippity top. Start her up and bleed everything out. Do the top off scissors with some air out the system. We're gonna keep turning. Left to right into that noise Clap her up just a little bit. É beautiful. Check the fluid level. Fill to the brim. Oh, and look at that grass, baby. Yes, right now. We'll get all job here is done. Only thing I would recommend is tie rod end bushings, ball joints, you know, brakes and rotors. This is maintenance. It sounds like it has a misfire. I scanned it. It says misfire cylinder 1 and 3. I swapped the coils on 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and the misfire is still 1 and 3. So the next we do spark plugs, or we'll just go deeper to figure out what the misfire is. But all in all, I feel like this job was a success. Thank you guys for watching again. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, all the views that I've been getting. It's amazing. It's like I thought it would take years and years and years to get past 1,000 views. My last video got almost, I think, 4,000 views. Might even be more now, but I appreciate you guys, and that's the only way this channel is gonna grow, is if you guys keep, you know, showing support, liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Damn, I'm shitting gold these days.